Hello guys, welcome back to another new video. This video I'll show how to generate your PC wallpaper. So click image generator and search your prompt. So full character of an ice cream clone similar and dropping and comma and wallpaper theme. Okay, just create wallpaper resolution. So just change this image. Okay, so guys, this is the size 1024 and 1024. Okay, select this. So guys, I'm just now create 1024 or 768. So now generate the 5 token, and I'm just using 2 photo and click AI generator. So now I'm just waiting for image, and you watching this video. So keep subscribe channel, more video or more tips, please set all notification. So guys, the image is ready. So now I can open and click download. Okay, and just open this photo and set my background image. So guys, this is the image, and click right button and set as lock and background. Okay, so guys, now see your wallpaper is ready. So keep watching this channel, and I hope subscribe this channel for more video. Goodbye.